Let us come to the first Brahman now. To start with, we will see the first Brahman of this particular chapter, and we will see how the first Brahman progresses. First mantra of the first Brahman, page 402. Let us read this. Please repeat after me. Page 402. Druptabalakihi ha anuchanah gargyah asa sahovacha ajatashatrum काश्यम ब्रह्मते ब्रवाणीति सहोवाच अजातशत्रुः सहस्रमेतस्यां वाचे दद्मः जनको जनक इति वै Janadhavanti te. So here, this is very interesting. There is a dialogue in this particular section. And this dialogue is between one king, Ajatashatru was there. This is not Yudhishthir. Generally Yudhishthir is called Ajatashatru. But here it is not for Yudhishthir. I think it is not clearly said. And there was one Brahman, his name was Gargyah, not Gargi. Gargi will come later on. She is an illustrious woman and great woman of Brihadaranyak, to whom the Upanishad will be taught. She is a woman. And here he is the man Brahman called Gargyah, not Gargi. Gargyah. Okay. So Ajatashatru was a king. And in this particular portion, he is the teacher. He is a teacher also, he is a Kshatriya and he is teacher. And this Gargyah will be the student. So imagine that. The ulta ho gaya. Generally, Brahman is supposed to be the king, the teacher. But in many places I have seen that the teacher is a Kshatriya. Yagyavalkya also was like that. It means that there was a time where teachers were also very well, kings were also very well read, and some had Brahmanishtha also. So this king was very well established in the knowledge, and therefore he could be the teacher. The teacher should be mentioned as the word Acharya. So the definition of Acharya is Achinotita Shastrartham. One who picks up the essence of the scriptures. He doesn't go here and there. He doesn't hover on non-essential things. Achinoticha Shastrartham. Achare sthapyati swayam. And that essence he himself establishes in his own life. He is called Acharya. So Acharya should not only be established in the knowledge, he should have a study of the scriptures. But he should be a very good communicator. Okay. Communicator. His silence doesn't work. Well, I went to that Mahatma, he was silent. So he gave the Upadesh in this silence. I don't know what he meant. These things when we hear, of silence is, it may mean that I will not talk to you. It may mean that nothing is there. It may mean that, come later on. You can make any meaning out of that silence. And therefore, knowledge has to be given in words, in clear-cut words. No mysticism involved, please. Mysticism, don't bring any mysticism. I went there and he touched and this happened, that happened, all these things. Please keep it away when you study Vedanta. It will straight away attack the doubt. And it will pick out all the doubts, and because agyan is in the buddhi, therefore we have to tell the knowledge. All subject knowledge is vritti rupa. Brahma Gyan is also vritti rupa. So here the teacher is established, that means if he has to be teacher. Some are not well educated, but they are Brahmanist. They cannot be communicators. Dhyan dena. If one has not heard or knows the whole scripture, he may be established in truth. They are called Avdhut Koti Mahatma. He may be established. But to communicate, you should know all prakriya, whether it is Drishta Drishya Prakriya, Panchakosh Prakriya, Panchabhut Prakriya. And therefore, to become Acharya, Shrotri is very important, and Brahmanistha is also important. So, one should not only be abiding in the knowledge of the self, but one should have a very big background of the scriptures, so that he can cater to the need of the student at that time. He can be a very good communicator. Okay. I hope this is clear. I went to some ashram in Durban only. So I said, okay, what happens here? Well, no, we don't have any class, Swamiji. I said, why? Well, no, we believe in living in silence. I didn't know silence means what. Silence means what? Will we meditate? I said, on what? Bole, on drishta. I said, drishta is what? Is it one per head? It is one per person or many? Is it sakar or nirakar? You are seeing the drishta as a drishta, or you are the drishta? Bole, don't ask such questions. पागल नहीं थे लोग जो शास्त्र पढ़ाए गए. You know, bro, you will hear it, Atma va are drashtavya. Atma va are shrotavya. Well, this alone should be seen. Vedaischa sarvair aham evedya. Bhagwan should have touched Arjun. He to Mahapurusha, wo to Bhagwan the bhai. Why he went to the process of explaining so much things? You should have said, okay, go in meditation, Arjun. By meditation you should do, but understand on what to meditate, whom to meditate on, what is the process of meditation. And therefore the teacher who is Ajat Shatru here, he is established and, I am repeating it, very well communicator of the scriptures. Not his own new thing, he didn't bring it out. There is nothing called new idea has come up. There is nothing called new knowledge has come up. And therefore, because Ajat Shatru is the teacher here, this particular Brahman is called. Brahman means section, is called Ajat Shatru Brahman. Okay, understood that. Now, in this portion, the student I just now mentioned is, what's his name? Gargya. Gargya. Not Gargi, Gargya. Now he went to the Ajat Shatru teacher. But a problem came up. He thought, I know the self. And he asked that, I will teach you. So, therefore, see the Upanishad starts, Dript Balakihi. Balaki is the name of Gargya. He was the son of Balakayaha Apatyam, Balaki. Like Dasharath, son of Dasharath is called Dasharathihi. There is a Tadhit Pratyay is there. It expands. Vasudeva's son is Vasudeva. Vasudeva. Raghu is Raghava. So there is extension there. So Balak, his son is called Balakihi. Other name of Gargya. He went there. So, acha, and his adjective is written Anuchanah. See the word here, Anuchanah. What is the meaning of Anuchanah? It comes from Vach dhatu. Uchanaha and Anuchanaha. Anuchanaha means to study the Vedas. One who has studied the Vedas is called Anuchanaha. But not only who has learned, but who can transmit the knowledge also is called Anuchanaha. Learning is one thing and transmitting that knowledge is another thing. Some people are very learned, but they are not good in transmitting. So, he is Anuchanaha. Who? Bole Ajatshatru. No. Gargya. And man means what? Who can teach well also. So, it is important to know that this Gargya was also not an ordinary person. He is not a layman. He is Anuchanaha. Past participle is there, Vach dhatu, Uchana, and then Anuchana. Then what happened to him? Only one small problem was there with him. With whom? With Gargya. What was the problem? He had lot of ahankar. Somebody said, why you tell about your qualification? Bole, I read Gita every day. Bole, more? Bole, I help everybody. He said, more? Bole, I give charity. Bole, more? Bole, I love my parents. Bole, any last qualification? He said, yes. Bole, what? I lie a lot. This last qualification has taken and thrown a cold water on all what he said. One person asked another person, he said, one question is there. If brain is not working, still how long a person can live? Then he asked the question, how old are you? So, having all the qualifications and having ahankar means that you are gone now. Ahankar is such a terrible thing. Howsoever person may be talented, good, beautiful, इससे बचना भैया. Ahankar, beginning I only said that a person has false image about himself, that he is better, bigger than others, and he wants this image of imaginary image, others should take it as reality. And he goes out in the world with expectation of getting more people should think I am better than him. And effects are tremendously bad. A person is a bad under, he doesn't listen to anybody. Because he thinks I know everything. He is closed after that. Second thing, worst part, he is not close to God. In Narad Bhakti Sutra, one sutra comes, Abhimana Dveshitatvat. Dainya priyatvacha. Because Bhagavan wants that one should have humility. He is not close to the Guru. All those who live with the Guru doesn't mean they are close to Guru. Husband and wife living together is one thing, being close is another thing. They may live in the same room, but still they may not be close. I feel a Ahankari person is not close to anybody. He lives in his own shell and wall. And he is not open to corrections. He is not open to devotion. He doesn't feel that I know less and there is infinite knowledge. Not even I know a drop of the infinite knowledge. Reality is, somebody asked Newton, you have discovered so many laws, and he was walking on the sea beach. So he lifted a grain of sand and he said, as much sand you are seeing, I have discovered this much only. So they say, those who are knowledgeable in any area, the more you know, more you realize lesser you had known. So Ahankara is not a founded thing. And another thing is that whatever I am doing, remember these things I have repeated, my Shakti is not my Shakti. I had repeated this because if it was my power, I would have gained it. But dhire dhire na, all power may be lost in the old age. Memory is lost, senile decay is there, dementia is there, walking power is lost, seeing power is lost, thinking power is lost. मतलब हमारी नहीं है. And if some power is in me, and because of that I am being congratulated, that I think we should give it to Lord, because it is His power I am taking on credit only. And I don't know when I will lose that power also. So an Ahankar doesn't allow the person to think, he lives in imagination rather. In hallucination he lives in. He is very far from the reality. And therefore when he goes out in the world, what happens with him? He can't face the reality. Problem. I have a thought. What is sorrow? I was telling one day. Sorrow is, my thinking is contradicted. My particular notion and a thought, I thought you will do this for me. I thought. Why? I don't know. And you did not do this. I became sad. If I had thought, let me serve you, then this thought is non-contradictable thought. If I have a thinking that I am born and I am living here to serve you, nobody can contradict this thought. But if I have a thought that you should serve me, this can be contradicted every second hour. I have to give you love and respect. I am born to give love and respect because every sab ghad sai basta re katuk bachan mat bol bhai. Every heart has the same God and I am going to love the same God. This you cannot stop me. You cannot stop me from serving and loving. But no, I want love from you and respect from you. Now this thought will be contradicted thought. A wrong notion, because Ahankari person lives with a wrong notion and wrong ideas, he is frequently contradicted by the world. रिजल्ट क्या उसका है? रिजल्ट है कि ही इज नॉट ओनली सैड but he is deprived from the knowledge. Therefore, in Asuri Sampatti, in 16th chapter, Ahankaram Balam Darpam, he started with Ahankaram Balam Darpam, Kamam Krodham Parigraham. This is Devi Sampatti, Asuri Sampatti. खूब पिटाई हो जाती है. So situation just keeps on telling us, you are wrong, you are wrong. I don't bother for you, I don't care for you. Ahankari person is not a very good giver. He is not a very good server. He is not a very good student, shishya. He is not a very good devotee. This happened, this is a very big disease. And a person is very imposing. And see what Shruti says, to that Gargya, uska naam hi rakh diya, Dripta Balaki. Dript, you know, na? Don't know. Darpan has come from Dript word. Darpan means mirror. So dripyati iti darpana. The definition of darpan is this. See how beautiful. Because when a person sees, he says, oh, so nice is there. My hair is so nice, you know. I'm so mustache is so nice. Beard is so nice. I'm so nice looking. Wow. And this is dripyati. And therefore I always say, please learn to love the Sanskrit. English it doesn't communicate. So dript means a person swells up. He feels very different. He feels I am different than others. ये सब तो ऐसा ही है, हम ही अच्छे हैं. ये सब तो क्या ऐसा है? ऐसे ही such my knowledge is so, my looks, ऐसा ऐसा. अच्छा, what is humility? What definition I have found of humility? When I go and meet any person, I know one thing. He has one quality which I am trying to imbibe in me. What is that? Let me search in him. When you go out, search that one quality for which you are struggling. Then it is humility. And you go to the person with reverence. Even if he is a servant, you go with reverence. And dripta means he already outrightly he has cancelled everything. बोले तो कुछ नहीं, इस पागल है. ये उसको कुछ नहीं पता. How do you know? Have you known the home completely? So dripta balaki. This is called karm dhare samas. As I told, learn to see Sanskrit peeping here and there. Achha, so many times I think I should learn Sanskrit also. Dripta balaki, it is one word. So DB, he used to sign as DB. So Dripta balaki. So, but he was a Brahmin. But why he had pride? He had a pride because of two reasons. First, he was a Brahmin. And second reason was, he had studied the Vedas. He was not illiterate. Some uniqueness is required to have something, you know. Ahankar thrives on sense of uniqueness. Now he went to Gargya. He went to Ajat-Shatru. Okay. Chalo bhai. So Ajat-Shatru is a jnani here. Na jata shatru yasya, whose enemy is not born, is called Ajat-Shatru. Acha, dhyan dena. It doesn't mean nobody is animosity. He doesn't have any animosity with anybody. People may consider him. The biggest sign of a jnani is adveshta sarvbhutanam. He has no bhed buddhi in his. He has no sense of difference with him. So Ajat-Shatru word is a big communicative word. He has no sense of bhed which you saw, that he is different. Okay. So this Gargya went to Ajat-Shatru and he thought of teaching. So problem again started. He thought, I am a jnani, he is a jnani. Ab the ahankari person overestimates himself and underestimates others without going through proper thing. So he offers himself as a guru. He said, you know, I am so happy. So he went to Ajat-Shatru and told to Ajatshatru, see the word here, Dripta Balakihi ha anuchanah gargyah asasa hovacha Ajatshatrum. And who is Ajatshatru? Kashyam. Kashyam means he is Kashi Raja. He is the king of Raja, king of Kashi. See in the second page 403, Bhashyakar writes, Sahovacha Ajat Shatru Namanam Kashyam Kashi Rajam Abhigamya. So he was the king of Kashi, Ajat. And what he said, Gargya has said, Brahmate Brahmini iti. Brahmate Brahmini put in inverted comma. This is his quotation. This is Gargya had said this. May I teach Brahma to you? So how did he respond now? What did Ajatshatru say? Ajatshatru was not thinking, hey, what he knows. Vidya dadati vinayam. Vinayad yati patrata. So, if a person knows, as I said, Swami Akhandananji was a great scholar and great Brahmanist Mahatma in Vrindavan. He was a very established saint. In his ashram, if any new brahmachari came, any Swamiji came, any brahmachariji came, so immediately he used to say, evening satsang he will conduct today. He was so passionate about that. An interesting thing, he used to sit and hear. And if the brahmachari had said something wonderful, he used to praise also. So getting a praise from him was a big compliment. There are a lot of people who discourage, very few encourage. So he was a very good encourager. And if somebody was wrong, he will never say anything. He will say he must be tired today. So this Ajatshatru didn't feel that what you will teach me, I know everything. अरे भाई सुन लो बात, इसमें क्या बात है, छोटे नहीं हो जाओगे. By listening, you won't become small. Ahankari person's problem is he feels small very frequently. So one definition of Ahankari person is the instinct of imaginarily feeling small. He is not being made small, but he thinks he has made me small. And that makes him very upset. So Ajatshatru said, Bhai, I am very happy that any Brahman had come on my door and offered me to tell Brahma Gyan. Just because you have said like this, and therefore, what is it? I give lot of cows. But what is the award of saying like this, that Brahmani, may I teach you Brahman? बोले ऐसे तो सुनाई नहीं पड़ता. बोले all Brahmins think Janak alone will give the Gyan and he alone is the Shrota. I think it must be contemporary of Janak. Who? Ajatshatru. So it is not that. Other than Janak also there are people who can give knowledge and who can hear about the Gyan also. So in Taittiriya Upanishad, you know what is the prayer? Amayantu brahmacharina swa, vimayantu brahmacharina swa, pramayantu brahmacharina swa, shamayantu brahmacharina swa. You know what is the prayer? Let brahmacharis come from all sides for knowledge. Let those brahmacharis who have shamadama, they may come to me. Who want knowledge, they may come to you. From all sides. And therefore, give me lot of anna. I am grahast, that Rishi is saying, so that I can feed lot of brahmacharis. Because a culture is known by teachers. Today, you are taking the name of America. Best teachers are there in their colleges. All people are there. MIT, etc., Harvard, etc. More than the infrastructure, their teacher staff is quite qualified. So, he is now saying, so all the Brahmins think that Janak only could give knowledge, would give Dakshina and Shruta. So, now what he says, let us see. I'll just go through the mantra. Sadript bala kihi ha anuchanah gargya asa sahovacha. As after as full stop. Sahovacha, he said. Sam is Ajat Shatrum, Gargya said. Sa is for Gargya. Brahma te brahmini iti. May I talk to you about Brahma? This is in inverted comma. After that, full stop. Sa Ajat Shatru hovacha. This Ajat Shatru said, Sahasrami etasyam vachi sahasram. Etasyam vachi sahasram dadmaha. So I will give you 1,000 cows for that. That time that if somebody was happy, there was something called Pashudhan was there. The dhan was not in the form of cash, PTM, ATM, क्या क्या होता है, Paytm. Or it was not in the form of, it was called Pashudhan, okay, I'll give 100 elephant, 1,000 cows. The trading was more in the barter system. Barter, understand, no? So you give this, you give that. Out of happiness, well, le jao 1,000. That means he must be having much more cows, then it only he can give 1,000 cows. He thodi na ki I have 4 or 5 cows. In Durban there is a place called Peter Maritzburg. They say, Swamiji, you have to inaugurate Goshala. So I said, Acha, bade khush ho gaye. I was very happy. So they took me on the car. I said, how many cows are there in the Goshala? They said, 2. That distance from my ashram was 1 hour. 2 cows. I did not say anything. That person would have felt bad that Swamiji is making fun of me. And he was so happy and so inspired. And when I read Upanishad, yahan to 1,000 cow ki baat hai. And myself, with my eyes, I have seen Goshala of 1,000 cows. Still, 1,000 cows Goshala I have seen somewhere. यही डिफरेंस है भारत में और अलग जगह. Sahovacha etasyam vachi sahasram. So, dadma, I will give you so many cows. So, cow word is not written, sahasram is interpreted as cow. Bhashakar says sahasram itself means cows. Now what is written? So, then he said, Janko iti vai janaha dhavanti. So people run that Janak is there. So it is said, why twice Janak has been said? See, it is written, Bhashakar says, page 403, last paragraph. साक्षात ब्रह्म कथनमेव निमित्तम कस्मान्न अपेक्षते सहस्रदाने. So why Brahma Nirupan is not the main thing. So why this sentence gave him so? Then he said, so people say at that time, what? Janako data, Janaka shrota. So they were thinking that Janak alone is the giver of knowledge and Janak alone is the shrota there. So he thought somebody else also has come up now. This Ajat Shatru. Out of joy he said, oh, more are there now. So it is written here. So वै शब्द प्रसिद्ध प्रसिद्धौ द्योतनार्थ जनको द्वित सुरजनक शुश्रूषु इति ब्रह्म शुश्रूषव विवक्षव. So he is saying there that as somebody is teaching about Brahman or somebody is giving something, people run behind him. Janaka, Janaka. Got my point? Somebody is giving something or somebody is teaching. People run, Are Janak, Janak. That means they are going for knowledge or going for some kind of donation also. So similarly, you have made this possible for me, that knowledge is already here and data is already here, therefore I am running for you and therefore I am rewarding you with 1,000 cows. Now this told about the mumuksha, the desire to listen about this king, the Ajatashatru. Now what happened after that? Now interesting things will happen. That we will see in our next class.